Hi everyone, something a bit different today, an extra. I've had DHL have just delivered this little package to me. I've been thinking about getting one of these for a while. I've seen a few people using them. I've heard a lot about them online. I'm hoping it's going to be a business benefit and not a gadget. I've been in two minds about that for the last sort of 3 or 4 months, and I've decided I'll just take the plunge and hopefully it'll help. It's something called a reMarkable. And it's a digital paper tablet. I'll open the package in a moment. Basically, it means that I can write on something that feels like paper, apparently, so that's going to be interesting to see if that's true. It can convert my handwritten notes into text. It means all my notes are organised and accessible on all my devices, so it integrates with things like Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive. And it's a paper-like experience, but it's digital as well. For me, the benefit is that my trusty notebook, which I keep notes of client meetings on, is great, but it means I've got to spend time transcribing the contents of my notebook into actions on my productivity and project management software. I think it'll save a little bit of that time because it'll turn it into text. So that's going to be good. Also, I think having a digital copy of my notes on all my devices is going to be great. That's going to be easy to use. And finally, I think it's going to help the creativity process because I do find writing is really good for creating ideas, content, strategies, things like that, not just for myself, but also for my clients as well. And I think I'll be less inhibited from writing in a notebook knowing I've got to transcribe it than if I put it in this device. So I'm going to unbox them in a second more to show you. The first thing is going to be the actual tablet itself, and then a pen, and then a little cover for it as well. So I'm going to show you those in a second and see where we go. So I've taken all the main packaging off. I'm not the best at taking packaging off. I'm a bit impatient, to be honest. But to show you what I've got, where's it gone? Pen. It was in the box. Pen. Looks pretty much like any other pen, quite heavy. Put that over there for a second. That's that. And then there's a leather folio here. Box out of the way. That's just a leather cover for it. That's the colour I chose, just to make it a bit different from black. Let's see how we get on with that. And then there's the device itself, which comes in this box. I've already had a look, obviously. I switched it on. Probably needs a charge. It's got about 2 weeks of battery life, I think, typically. It doesn't have a backlight or anything. It's just like, I haven't tried properly yet, but it is just like, let's get the right pen. It is just like writing on paper. It's great, actually. So far, so good. So there you go. There's the new reMarkable. I'll let you know how I get on with it. I'll probably do another video just to show you how I'm getting on with it. And see how we get, and see if it delivers business benefits or it's just a gadget. Thanks for listening and watching.